Hi friends! You guys ready to do some art? Okay, today we're gonna make caterpillars. Okay, so we have our supplies. We have red paint and a toilet paper, a paper towel tube, and green paint, which is actually I improvised, and that is white glue, blue, and yellow food dye to make green paint, because I'm all out. Okay, so Lucas, say hi, Lucas. Lucas is going to make a caterpillar. Okay, you ready? Get your one, grab it. Can you grab it? Grab it. And we're gonna stamp. Ooh, look, we made a red circle. Okay, let go of that red one. Now we're gonna get our green one. Okay, and ready? All right, let's make circles.
Green.
Green. Get some more. And boop.
Boop, boop.
You ready?
Go here.
Can you do it?
Go.
Yep. He is going to make a very hungry caterpillar. We'll put some more circles over here. There you go. Mix it around.
More.
You want some more?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Good job, Lucas.